This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis, Wednesday, November 22, 23. News catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Daily affirmation, I see it and understand, rigid discipline and rules, flexible in outcome expectation, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And here we are on the day before Thanksgiving, just like the tape read here. And we do have the news catalyst at 8:30, but I think traders are going to be gone before noon Eastern time. On the left, the E-mini S&P 500 futures. You can see here, right now we've got a Globex green bar. On the right, though, the dollar. I'm trusting a little bit more of the dollar. Again, notice we've got the same color candles. The inverse relationship not really happening here. And we'll see how long that lasts. Maybe it goes into the RTH AM opening. But whenever you see confluence in direction, that's a warning sign right there of some kind of manipulation. One of these instruments is not telling the truth. So let's go to the 15-minute bellwether and look at the next chart. Let's go to the levels. So what we do have, again, in this light red level is the prior buy-side liquidity levels of earlier in September, 45, 55, 50, and 45, 71. So you can see price recently just penetrated that back into that here, but I'm not going to fade it just because of the seasonality of where we are in the week, and it's the day before Thanksgiving. Levels down, prior days RTH open, 45, 50, and then we have London, 49.50, and then New York midnight opened the new day at 45.50.75. Seeing the theme here? 45.50 is a big level here for Wednesday, okay? It's going to be about this level and the RTH open, in my opinion, and we'll just see. If we went all the way up to 45.71, sure, I'd be tempted, but the hands off the keys the day before Thanksgiving. The PM low prior day was 45.46. And note how, again, truncated and compressed this compression range is. So consolidations usually mean we'll have a breakout, and we can consolidate for 3 or 4 more days, just like we did a week ago before the next move. The low happened after we had that earnings report on NVIDIA. We spiked down to 45.3675. What do we have below this? A lot. Again, I pointed the new week open gaps, right? I don't think we hit that, though, unless there's something like a black swan event. Nothing compelling here on a bearish displacement at all. So there's no reason to take a trade here, again, because the monthly, weekly, daily seasonality of it all. Journal and learn and watch these levels. So I will say this yellow area is the last key zone if we do want to breach into this more and revisit it, 45.63 by 45.67. If we close above that, I'd be pretty impressed with what the bulls accomplished on Wednesday, but that's a big if. And again, I'm just going to observe. So thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel by your view, either your like, your subscription, or all three for a triple play. Thank you so much. Aloha and take care. Bye.